video in our science lab, Akal Academy Dr. Sahib. So I can use some magnets and compass. So this video is going to be based on the magnetism. So I will tell you the north and south pole of a magnet and how we can find them, and how to use a compass to find the direction. And the third one, there is a activity I can do to show you that only the repulsion is the sure test of a magnet. So let's jump into the video, and I will also going to tell you how to store a magnet so that it will not lose its magnetic property. So here I have two pairs of bar magnet and one is horseshoe magnet. So as you can see, there is a soft iron piece. To this we call the keeper. To store a magnet so that it will not lose its magnetic property, we will use a soft iron piece, and we just put it on both the poles. So this white dot is representing north pole, and the side with not any dot or any indication is the south pole of the magnet. Same in case of bar magnet, they are of different size. We use soft iron, these are called the keepers. But what is the condition? When we store a magnet, the north pole will be opposite to each other. This white dot is the north pole, and these are the permanent magnets. First we put north in this side, then second one is opposite, then just place two keepers on both sides. So this is the correct way to store a magnet. Then we can use a plastic piece to insert inside. The bigger one is for these and the smaller one is for these two. So they are permanent magnet, and permanent magnets are basically made up of alnico. Alnico means a substance made up of aluminium, nickel and cobalt. So now we have how to test a magnet, how to test that it is a magnet or any magnetic substance. So what is the difference between magnet and magnetic substance? That magnetic substance are attracted by the magnet, but magnet attract the magnetic substance. So both are different. Now how to test that the thing or the object we are taking is a magnet? Okay, I am taking only one magnet for this till now. We have two substances, one is this object and one is this object. How to test that they both are magnet, or the one is magnetic substance and one is magnet? So this is north pole and this is south pole. First I will try to attract it. It is attracted, means they are magnetic substance. But still we don't know that this is also magnet or not. So to try this, what we will do? First we will take north pole to near this stripe. It is attracted. Okay. Then we take south pole again to this object. Again it is attracted, means this is not a magnet. Because if this is a magnet, if we change the pole, it will be repelled. Let me show you. Now I am taking both the magnet. First south pole with north pole. Poles are unlike, means they will be attracted. As you can see, north pole of this magnet and south pole of this magnet attracted. But what happen if I bring like pole near to each other? Now they will repel. As you can see, now they are repelling each other. Means, okay. Now we can say they both are magnet because they are repelling each other when we bring them closer to each other. Okay. Now to horseshoe magnet, we also store in the same way, north and south pole, and we just place a keeper and we can store it in a box. Okay, now we have this device. I have two here. These we use to find the direction. Okay, the thing which is rotating inside is a small permanent magnet which always point towards the north direction. Which north? Geographical north. So as you can see, this red color is the north pole of this small magnetic strips which is hanging inside. Okay, as you can see, they both are pointing in same direction. But what will happen if I bring another permanent magnet near to them? So as you can see, the red one is north pole and the other one is south pole, and south pole of a magnet is attracted by the north pole of another magnet. What will happen if I will bring south pole near it? This north pole will be indicated toward this one, because unlike pole attract each other. If I will take here, then also. But if I take this magnet far from the compass, they again lie themselves in north side direction of a earth magnetic field. So we can use this compass to find the direction. This strip is a permanent magnet. It always align in a north-south direction. But now this is not giving us north-south. We will use the bottom map to find the direction. What we will do, we will take this north and align with the small permanent magnetic strip. As you can see, now they both are aligned. North is above this point. Okay, means this direction is north, this side is east, this is west, and this is south. So if you are in a forest or you are trekking somewhere in mountains, you can use a compass. You just align it, this north, you will just align it with the magnetic needle and you will get the direction to the north. So compass can come in different shape and size, but these are only for to find there is any magnetic field present or not. As you can see, if I bring any magnet closer to it, it will just indicate is there any magnetic field or not. But these one are only to use to find the direction. As you can see, I can disturb the magnetic needle with the help of another magnet.